It's a little bit windy. What do you think? No.
Extremely.
I mean, this morning we were with the t-shirt. It's really warm, really. I think there are 15, more than 15 degrees.
16.
Huh? 16. 16 and a half. Let's say 16 and a half.
No.
Now we are here frozen.
We wanted that though, we wanted. Sorry,
Yeah.
I'm wearing already the goggles because it's impossible to look around and I want to see this beauty. But the wind is really, literally, I lift one
She was
feet
flying
and then the wind put it like this. I was boom.
You are too light.
Yeah, you have to
Gain weight. So today we will walk just a little bit here. Okay? See?
Good morning to a beautiful sunny Saturday. We took our time and it is 10:30, almost 10:30, let's say 10:20, 25. Left home
We
and
took it easy today, easy.
oh, we are hitting the roads and we are around in our neighborhood, just left. Searching some bread for tomorrow's panina, tomorrow's sandwiches. Exactly. So there we are going this weekend.
So this weekend we are going in Italy. Okay, so not so far from here. We should do the Centovalli, which is a really tight road. Normally they say it's dangerous at night because it's really, if two cars if they don't pass at the same time, they cannot pass. It's not that large, but we are doing today. Should be really good, really beautiful. There is also a train that on the fall season, okay, is one of the most famous train in Switzerland because it goes along this valley, okay, with all the color, the fall color, really beautiful, but it's not today the case. We go on the other side, Domo d'Ossola, and I think we will go on the end of the Val d'Ossola. Now we just parked here because we were going direction Domo d'Ossola, but we have seen what is a church right now.
Giant.
We didn't expect, so now we are going to see it, which is this one. Boom. when your wife, okay, she does something a bit strange, then she feels shame, so she said, okay, do as well. So we are like two weirdos. And? Well,
It's the most logical decision you have ever made. Can I say something?
yeah.
So this morning we wake up to peeing people. They were in front of us peeing everywhere.
Two. They started two. Then 3, 4, 5. So close to our well was the toilet of the park.
This is how it works in the mountains. And now it's full.
By the way,
You see?
good morning. So the sun is shining today. It's really shining. The sun is shining. And the wind for the moment not too much, which is good. So it's full of people. I don't know, they are doing skiing, they are doing I think snowshoes. And did you see my equipment? So show them my equipment.
No shame still. Zero shame. And your other new equipment?
I don't even know how to open it. Tack.
Wow.
Now over here. Doesn't go back. The camel, no, in the desert. They walk, no, you see between the dunes, no, that adventure. There was the road, by the way, but Baje today has a Indiana Jones spirit, so she wanted to try the path where they go with the snowshoes. So it's what we are doing. Look how she's motivated. Look. Indiana Jones of the snow. This face is really professional. Show everyone that you are not suffering. No, I didn't suffer.
I did suffer. I was a good sufferer.
We were looking for a place where to eat up there on the lake, close to the lake, on the dam, but it's too windy. So now we are coming back. We are coming back because she's hungry.
I'm starving.
She's starving.
And I'm
So
another person.
She's getting nervous.
Yeah.
So whatever
Terrible.
things I'm gonna say right now, she would kill me. Eh? Finally. Finally she's eating. Look how she's happy. Now is the moment you can ask her anything you want.
No.
She would say yeah,
No,
vabbè,
ora
no,
un
giusto,
attimo.
after the sandwich. Oh, sì.
After the second sandwich.
Buon appetito. We are preparing for the photo shooting session. She pretend to be sexy. Guarda, guarda, guarda.